I'm proposing humbly a 2-week course in school where all children cross-dress. All boys wear girls' clothing, every single item. All girls wear boys' clothing, every single item. So that the right dots connect in your mind as an adult. So the next time you Indian boys, you go out to a club and you see a beautiful girl walking towards you, just mini skirt, cleavage, heels. Your first thought as an Indian male is, her feet must be tired, man. 5-inch. Her underboob must be so sore with the wire all tight jammed in there. See, most guys aren't laughing because you don't know there's a wire in the underboob. You just thought there was $300 in there for a rainy day, right? Every time a woman in India wears something revealing like many of you are doing tonight, Indian men say shit like, oh, she's asking for it. Am I wrong, ladies? Have you heard that in your lives, yeah? The infinite beauty and fun of being a woman is if she's asking for it, she can just ask for it. Because it is available, I promise you. She can just think of it and 28s will line up outside her door. For the woman, the world is Amazon.it. You can ask for it, compare it, size of it, delivery date of it, prime it, non-prime it, cash on delivery, whatever you like. That's the beauty of being a woman. It's so specific. You get to ask for it. It. Men, we just want to get some. But nobody's looking for hidden messages in men's clothing, are they? I could wear a t-shirt that said, fuck me in the ass. I give you full permission to fuck me in the ass, and nobody would do anything about that. They'd just be like, well, that's a cool souvenir. Yet men have the freedom to wear whatever we want, within limits. You know, you can't just drape 2 bed sheets around yourself and run an investment bank. But you can run Uttar Pradesh.